Good afternoon. It's 2:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date, 1/14/2013. Yes, we have some things that we would like to point out to you. And as I have said, the things that we're going to point out is the Amazon.com trade. We had a price target of 275. It got close enough there to it. This is that gap up with lots of upgrades. We blew right through its old highs where it's always sold down here now. We did sell off from that high. We start 2013 out in a real bull move. Amazon's been executing well. I'll tell you what though, the PE is extremely high. And not only that, their profitability has got to be yes, you can walk prices well above what they're worth, and Amazon is the best retailer out here right now. But we know from all the other retailers that have been reporting, like Lulu, Athletic, Lemon, and a lot of the other big cap retailers, they're missing their numbers. Now, the thing about it is, yes, you can sell a lot, but what are those profit margins versus operating margins moving forward? It's a great bull story, and it's a great bull move, like always. But just remember, people, I'm telling you, there's another side to this. And when we start dealing with highs, 52-week highs, we know how to trade these 52-week highs, and they gapped it up, and it's had a slew of upgrades to $300 a share. Back over here, when we started out the year, we put a bottom in and we're long, and we gapped it up, and they had 3 narrow day ranges, and it gapped up, and it's gapped up once, twice, and today had a gap 3 times. 2013 is about as good a bull chart as you would ever want to get. But if you don't know when to sell, you too will pay a price. What I'm saying is the great bull run, the upper end of the price channels, when we start getting up toward that 275, it's going to have a wall of resistance, like it always has in prior areas of resistance throughout its whole time it's ever been traded. Resistance levels, they like to sell off. Resistance levels, they gap up on earnings and they sell it off. So when you define where the areas, what I mean by pre-areas is that when you gap up before the close, that's the close, and then you gap up into resistance where these things are sold short right away. Great bull run, great story for 2013 in January. And you can see that out of 7, we've been up, 6 out of the last trading days here with green. And we consolidated at support and we broke higher. But we got close enough to my 275 target to take the money off the table. Closes up at 273 on 4.2 million shares. That's very bullish. It is a bull trend that is overbought, and the major wall of resistances will have reversals moving forward.